That is correct. What is wrong with you?
Don't become a loose.
Okay, sweetie, I'll take it from here. Can we have a little privacy, please? Yeah, that's right, Sister Bounce. Breathe, Larkin, you're okay. Plug up.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yes, that's right. Keep breathing. Yes. Well, that's not good. No, let that dry. The foot. We have to disable the foot. The magic foot. But do you want to win?
Yes, but I believe in ethical conduct.
And isn't having a magic foot an unfair advantage?
I don't have a magical foot.
Or a mother?
Really? You promised me you weren't going to say that stuff anymore. It really hurts my feelings.
Excuse me. Can we have all parents in their seats, please? This is not a soccer game.
Lucky your parents are still in India. No, only my mom is. My dad's coming home from work.
Thanks for the pep talk. Sweet juice. My apologies. My offense, I am lactose intolerant. Miss Ostrowski.
Did my dad say anything?
Oh, your dad said he's running a little late, but he'll discuss the entrance fee with you when he comes to pick you up.
But did he say what time he would get here?
Chimerical.
I'm sorry, what was the word?
Chimerical.
May I have a definition?
It means unreal, imaginary, visionary, wildly fanciful, highly unrealistic. That is correct.
Oh.